Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and thanks to this gorgeous light from Dingley Lighting, I can now see really well in my dark hallway. This is an industrial style pendant lamp. You can see that it has that glass shade insert which shines really brilliantly under the matte black cage look. The light itself was very easy to install and the wiring is already set up. And it has a 68-inch adjustable cord. So we opted for about halfway to really create a nice brilliant light inside this dark hallway. The matte black is really pretty and it sits really well against our colors that we chose. And overall the lamp is just very pretty and simple, but yet really provides so much light. I love the pendant style as well as that industrial style fixture that's made very well. Whatever space that you opt to put this light in, I am sure that it would work really well. It was so easy to install. It has such a great simplistic industrial style. It would be perfect for any area that needs some extra beautiful lighting. And that's my point of view.